We all are familiar with KGF, right? What comes to our mind when we think about the movie? I am sure all of us will say Rocky Bhai, but I am talking about the background of the movie. The movie was based on the mining of gold, similar to that concept, but somewhat technical. We have something called data mining. Data mining is the practice of examining vast amounts of data to identify trends and patterns, which basically means mining relevant data from chunks of coal, or in our case, data. Data mining is just like mining, where an individual discovers patterns and knowledge from large amounts of data. The data sources can include databases, data warehouses, the web, and other information repositories or data streamed into the system dynamically. Business models are built by examining the raw data, which helps to bring out information used by the business. Data sources and formats are iterative for building a model, as the sources are available in many forms. Data mining is split into the process 1, data pre-processing, and 2, data mining. Data pre-processing involves cleaning, integration, reduction, and transformation of data. And in data mining, pattern evaluation and knowledge representation of data are involved. Data pre-processing is essential to deliver the accuracy, completeness, consistency, and timeline to build a reliable model. Data cleaning, it is the first foremost step in data mining. In this step, dirty data is cleaned, avoiding the confusion in procedures and restricting the inaccurate results. It involves 2 steps, and they are: number 1, fill the missing data, ignoring the tuplet, filling the missing value manually. Use the measure of central tendency, median, or filling the data in the most probable value. These methods are used to cover the gap between the data. Number 2, remove the noisy data. Binning. Binning sorts values into buckets or bins. For smoothing replaces each bin with its mean. A bin median replaces each bin value in the smoothing. Each bin value is replaced by its nearest boundary value when smoothing is done by averaging the minimum and the maximum values in a certain bin. Identifying the outliers, resolving inconsistencies. 2. Data integration. Different databases use different naming conventions for variables, resulting in the database redundancy. Additional data cleaning can remove redundancies and inconsistencies from the data integration without compromising data integrity. Number 3, data reduction. This method extracts relevant data for analysis from a data collection. While maintaining integrity, the representation is much smaller in volumes. Methods such as Learnbay, decision trees, and neural networks reduce data. Reducing the number of attributes in a dataset is known as dimensionality reduction. Numerosity reduction, using smaller forms of data representation to replace the original data volume. Data compression, it is the representation of the original data in a compressed format. Number 4, data transformation. Data is transformed into a format suitable for data mining. In this process, the data is consolidated to make the mining process more efficient and make the patterns more understandable. Data transportation entails a process of data mapping and code generation, smoothing, using clustering, regression techniques, and other methods to remove noise from data. Aggregation is the process of applying operations to summary data. Normalization is the process of reducing data to a smaller range. Discretization is the process of replacing numeric data's raw values with intervals. These are some of data transformation strategies. 5. Data mining. Intelligent patterns are used to extract data patterns in these steps. Patterns represent the data, and classification and clustering techniques structure the models. Number 6. Pattern evaluation. This step entails identifying interesting patterns that represent the knowledge. Data summarization and visualization methods make the data understandable to the user. Number 7. Knowledge representation. Data visualization and knowledge representation technologies represent the mined data during the process. Reports, tables, and other visual representations of data are used. Challenges faced during data mining: large databases and difficult to manage data collection are required for data mining. The data mining process needs domain experts who are tough to come by. Integrating data from disparate databases is a difficult task. Data mining results in necessitate changes in organizational procedures. Redesigning the procedure necessitates time and money.